Do you dream of becoming a chartered financial consultant holder in Singapore? Don't know where to study? Or how to obtain your qualification? Thousands of successful Singaporean financial consultants started their journey at the Insurance and Financial Practitioners Association of Singapore, where you too can obtain your professional accreditation for Chartered Financial Consultancy, or ChFC, in Singapore. At IFPAS, our vision is to act as the model industry body for the financial services profession, shaping the industry's perception and helping budding financial accountants achieve their goals. If you think you have what it takes to become a chartered financial consultant in Singapore, we'd be glad to help you pave your path to success. IFPAS's Chartered Financial Consultant Program prepares students to meet the advanced financial planning needs of individuals, business professionals, and small business owners. ChFC is a globally recognized financial planning designation at the chartered level. Institute of Banking and Finance also recognizes ChFC at the IBF Advanced level. By choosing the ChFC program, you'll gain a sustainable advantage in this competitive field. Learn everything you need to know about key financial planning disciplines, from insurance to tax planning, retirement planning, investments, and estate planning. ChFC is a 9-course tutorial session program. Upon successful completion of exam, you'll be awarded your ChFC professional designation by Singapore College of Insurance under the license from the American College. Your studies will kick off by covering the ins and outs of the financial planning process. The second course covers risk management techniques, insurance, and retirement planning. Third, tax, estate planning, and all legal aspects of financial planning. 4. Investment knowledge, including securities, risks, returns, stock and bond analysis, unit trusts, and more. 5. Plan construction, practice standards, and ethics. 6. Planning for business owners and professionals, discussing the various types of business setups, common business problems, and key success factors. 7. Wealth management and financial planning, covering critical areas like economic analysis, portfolio management, and asset allocation. Discover how to advise your future clients on the benefits and risks of various investment instruments like equities, bonds, hedge funds, and more. 8. Move into financial planning applications. And of course, 9. Ethics for the financial services profession, a practical framework you can't do business without. Eager to start your ChFC journey? There are various funding structures in place to assist you too. Are you ready to create a brighter future and become the chartered financial consultant you've always wanted to be? Don't wait. To learn more or register, contact IFPAS at 6535-1221. You can also send an email to education@ifpas.org.sg or visit our website at ifpas.org.sg. Let's build a brighter future with you and the Insurance and Financial Practitioners Association of Singapore, the premier association for financial practitioners in Singapore.